Hello everyone, this is the preview of my project. Let's get started. I'm using this water and spraying it on this watercolor paper, and then I'm using watercolor paints. I'm going to spray that first to activate it. Now I'm going to add those paints on the uh, watercolor paper. I'm going to start with little bit and then I'm going to slowly spread it. I'm going to add two different colors and blend it. This is like a very simple project for the beginners. Um, you can use any simple watercolor to start and do this project. You can use distress oxide sprays or distress inks pads. You can try all those and put the ink and then spray some water on the top and blend it. You can use any of those mediums. Now I'm drying it and then adding more color on the top, and then I'm going to darken it. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. So now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this stamp. I don't know if this stamp is available right now. This is like a very old stamp. I'm using archival ink. So I'm going to first put the part of the stamp on one side. Then I'm going to add other stamps. The same stamp on the other side. I'm going to use these butterflies, and then I'm going to stamp these as well on the project. I'm using these three different butterflies. Now I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to stamp these butterflies again, and then I'm going to color it and then fussy cut it. I'm using this metallic watercolor paints. I'm going to list all these uh, items in the description box. Now I'm going to use the glue and adhere it. You can use, if you don't have the same stamp, you can use uh, any stamp that you have it. Just you can use different colors to color it and make it nice and colorful. Now I'm going to splatter it. I should have done it before, but uh, now I'm going to use the black acrylic paint and splatter it on the top. Then I'm going to uh, dry it. Now I'm going to use this stickles, which are like nice glittery glue, and I'm going to use this in this project to give some shine. Like I said, this is like a very simple project for the beginners. Then I'm putting drops on different um, areas. So this finishes my project. I'm putting the coat and finish it. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you again. Bye.